Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create your website on Shopify for beauty and cosmetics business, easy and quick. How to create your website, how to create a store on Shopify about the beauty and cosmetics business. So first, type Shopify on the search. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, click here. Now enter here your email, then start free trial. You can just skip all this and next. So this is the dashboard of your homepage of your website. Now first click here online store and click themes. So you can here change your themes if you want. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. Just click, you can choose whatever you want, just click add and wait to install in the theme. So now your theme is up and your theme is ready. Now just click here publish and click here. Now you can customize, just click here, you can customize your home page. So this is your homepage website. So first of all, here if you wanna add something, you can search online store, or if you wanna add something like products, uh, or collections lists, or pages or blogs. That's it. You can change the form of the screen, like you can make it desktop or mobile or full screen. So that's it. I'm gonna make it just like this. So the first here you find the home page, the list. It's begin with the header and it ends with the footer section. So this is here the first. You have here the template, future product, image banner, and the rich text, the multi-column. And here if you want to add something new, just click here. You can select anything you want to add as you like. So that's it. Now the first thing is editing your header. Just click here. Now you can edit the desktop log position. You can select a menu. You can manage the desktop menu type. You can also manage this sticky header. For example, you can make it like this. You can turn this on and show separate your line. You can edit the color theme. And if you wanna add your logo, just click here. So this is the logo. Just select image and you can upload it from browser. For example, you can just click cosmetics. It might be related to it should be related to this business type, the cosmetics and beauty business, cosmetics products for example, or cosmetics logo. And for example, let's choose this. Now just put it here and wait a few seconds to upload in this image and click here, done. So this is your logo of your website. That's it. Now let's get back to another section. Here you find the handcrafted products. You can change this. You can edit the form of the writing or the text. You can edit the heading size. So that's it. So let's move on now to the future products. Here you can edit the title. You can make it like small or large or medium. You can edit the price. You can customize this price. You can enter the description. So here you can enter your description as you like. So that's it. Now let's move on to another here. So another thing, you can change the image banner here. So just go here and for example, cosmetics product, for example, like this, and you can choose it from image. So for example this, put it here, and wait a few seconds, and it should be done. You can also add a second image. You can manage this, the image overlay of opacity. You can manage this, the desktop content position. So that's it. So now let's move on to another thing. You can edit the rich text. For example, you can edit the content alignment. You can make it like right or left. You can manage the desktop content position. You can manage the section padding like this. Now if you wanna remove any section, just select the section, for example like this, and click remove section, and it will be removed. So here you can manage the footer section. Click here, you can manage the heading of the section, or here if you want to turn this on, enable follow on shop, or if you want to show social media icons, you can show payment icons. You can enable language selector. You can turn this on and show policy links. So that's it. So if you wanna move on the section, just like this, you can put it at any place you want, for example here, or any place. So that's it. Now after you're done from designing your website, all you have to do now is click here to save. Now your change is saved, so exit. So let's go to the home. I can click here, store settings. You can name your store, so click here, name store. So you can give your store a name. You can also add your store phone. You can change your store email. So that's it. Now after you're done from this, you can add the custom domain. You can also add the sharing details, and the last thing here is launch your online store, and that's it. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.